Respected Principal Madam, honorable guests, our honorable teachers, honorable guardians, and students of our school. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day. Today, 15th August, we all Indians are celebrating 79th Independence Day of our country. It's the national festival of India. In this day, of our country. It's the national festival of India. In this day, in 1947, we have got our freedom from the cruel British rule. Our great freedom fighters like Gandhiji, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Master Rasul Hussain, Khudiram Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, and so many people of India fought bravely to make our motherland free. It's respect and honor. The third how to sacrifice for our motherland.
আমি বলতে পারবে না এটা দেখে দেখে উপরে উঠবি।